The KOMODO electric generator tank is the most advanced mobile power station on the market, combining the storage capacity of leading battery backup systems such as the Tesla Powerwall or Battery Evo Rhino. With 160 horsepower all-terrain mobility, KOMODO is designed for extreme versatility. Most home battery solutions max out at around 15 kilowatt hours of capacity, but the KOMODO boasts an incredible 100 kilowatt hours of clean, eco-friendly LiFePO4 power. That's enough to keep a building powered for days. Whether you're using it for home backup, industrial power, electric vehicle charging, heavy-duty towing, or anything else, the KOMODO is built to withstand. With a built-in touchscreen inverter, high-output power ports, and rugged tank tread mobility, the KOMODO is revolutionizing off-grid energy. Now, let's go over how to use it. To power on the KOMODO, locate the emergency stop button on the lower right corner of the front panel. This button immediately shuts off the machine in an emergency, but is also used to activate its mobility features. To enable tank tread movement, press and turn the emergency stop button clockwise. To power the inverter and access power outputs, press the inverter button on the front panel. We'll cover how to use the inverter in more detail later in this video. Once the KOMODO's mobility system is active, you'll need to turn on the remote control. Press and hold the center button until the remote powers on. On your remote, the left joystick controls forward and backward movement. The right joystick rotates the KOMODO left or right using 360-degree pinpoint turns. The top right switch toggles the KOMODO's LED headlights on and off, and the top left switch enables speed control and cruise control activation. Now that your KOMODO is on, let's go over driving and towing. The all-terrain tank treads allow KOMODO to navigate dirt, grass, sand, mud, and paved environments with ease. To maintain control, stay within 300 feet of the remote or connection could be lost. The KOMODO is engineered to carry and tow thousands of pounds. You can mount heavy-duty tools to the reinforced top lattice rails, securing equipment using standard fasteners and weight balancing methods, and tow large loads such as trailers, vehicles, or machinery using the integrated tow hitch. Just attach it the same way you would any standard ball hitch. For optimal performance and safety, avoid operating on steep inclines to prevent tipping hazards, and avoid driving through deep water. While the KOMODO is weather-resistant, submerging the treads or motor can cause electrical hazards. On the front of the KOMODO's inverter, you'll find its intelligent touchscreen interface. This is your control hub for managing battery status, power output, and system performance. When the inverter is on, you'll see real-time operational data, including grid information, solar information, battery status, load information, and temperature monitoring, which ensures internal systems stay within a safe operating range. To access advanced settings, enter the configuration page. The default password on all our units is 101. Here, you can adjust output voltage and frequency, AC and solar charge rates, battery priority settings, and power saving mode. You can also fine-tune charging amps and voltage settings to match your power needs. On your KOMODO, you'll find multiple power outputs for versatile energy distribution. On the front of the inverter are 120-volt and 240-volt AC outlets, ideal for appliances, tools, and industrial equipment. On the side panel of the KOMODO, you'll find multiple power outputs for versatile energy distribution. AC in and out ports to connect your 50-amp extension cables. This allows you to run power in and out of your home or facility. The NEMA output also allows you to power heavy-duty loads. You'll find two PV inputs, which support solar arrays for renewable energy charging, and a DC input for 72-volt chargers. The side panel also contains breakers, allowing you to control individual power functions for additional safety and protection. The KOMODO is built with a modular design, making it easy to remove, replace, and upgrade components as needed. The bottom front panel opens up to access the KOMODO's battery management system, built with our proprietary AI software, and the bottom back panel reveals the controller box. This design not only simplifies maintenance, but also supports future upgrades, including collision detection and self-driving features, which are available soon on the KOMODO website. The KOMODO can act as a whole home battery backup. To do this, you'll need a sub-panel and generator input ports installed along the main electrical panel in your home. To connect to home power, run a 50-amp extension cable from the Komodo's AC out into the generator port on your sub-panel to supply power from the Komodo into your home. Run another 50-amp extension cable from the AC into the 50-amp NEMO receptacle on your main electric panel. This allows the Komodo to recharge using your home's grid power. The Komodo features an 11-kilowatt EV charging gun for fast, mobile EV charging. Simply plug it into your electric vehicle, and most EVs will recharge from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes to an hour, delivering rapid off-grid charging wherever you need it. Recharging your Komodo is simple, with multiple options to fit your setup. You can use the PV input on the side to connect solar panels and arrays for renewable off-grid charging. With your 50-amp extension cables, you can utilize the AC input for fast traditional recharging from your grid power. Use an included 72-volt adapter to charge your Komodo from a standard wall outlet. Or you can use a converter to convert generator output to 50 amps and plug into your AC in to use a diesel generator. The fastest way to recharge your Komodo is by utilizing grid power combined with solar energy input to recharge in just a few hours. To keep your Komodo operating at peak performance, adhere to these safety and maintenance tips. Inspect your treads regularly and replace as needed. Maintenance kits, including replacement treads, are available on the Komodo website. Keep power ports clean and dry to prevent connection issues or electrical hazards. Do not ride on top of your Komodo. It's not designed for passengers. Do not drive up or down stairs, as this can cause tipping hazards. Store your Komodo in a cool, dry place when it's not in use. Whether you're keeping your home powered during outages, charging an electric vehicle in the field, or running industrial tools off the grid, the Komodo delivers unmatched mobility, capacity, and efficiency. Power anything, anywhere with Komodo.